Yoga can leave a greater positive impact on a child, right from correcting behavioral issues, health problems, dealing with pressure, healthy movement, manage stress, etc. Practicing yoga at a young age will help kids cope up with everyday stress, especially the stress that COVID 19 has brought to them, and build a stronger foundation for themselves for life. Yoga in totality is about all kinds of inputs that go into the minds, whether it is through sensory inputs and cognitive senses. Children from 0 to 3 years are absorbing this the most. By starting early and giving the best inputs before the age of 8 through subtle sense therapy can be very helpful. Yoga and mindfulness offer psychological benefits for children beyond compare. A growing body of research has already shown that yoga can improve focus, memory, self esteem, academic performance, and classroom behavior, and can even reduce anxiety and stress in children. So, today I would like to bring to you the top 5 benefits of yoga as a counselor. The first benefit of yoga is breath control. Control over breathing patterns plays a role in building stamina, dealing with stress, and can keep your child relaxed all the time. So, encourage your child to practice 10 minutes of deep breathing, Anulom Vilom to increase focus and lung capacity. Stronger lungs mean lesser infections, and ample amounts of oxygen releases these happy hormones which will definitely help your children fight the gloominess of being locked down right inside their houses. Strengthening of muscles. Certain yoga postures involve a lot of muscle stretching, and these asanas help in building strength and coordination. For instance, sitting in Vajra for 5 minutes post lunch or dinner helps in easy digestion. Regular practice of asanas aids in maintaining heavy weights, builds stronger bones, regulates breathing patterns, etc. Alongside its numberless health benefits, yoga also boosts immunity and prevents attacks from various viruses and bacteria by increasing the level of antibodies in our body. This is the need of the hour as we all want our children to be healthy, have healthy immune systems to be able to fight COVID 19. Yoga promotes blood circulation, which can work wonders for the skin, hair, and nails. A healthy body feels and looks happy. This is an added tip for all our teenage kids who can love yoga for all the beautiful wonders it'll do to their skin and hair. Yoga also improves focus. Many children nowadays, while going through these online classes from school and extra activities, are really struggling with attention and focus issues. Balancing the body in certain posture improves attention and teaches the art of balancing and calms the mind. The regular practice of yoga postures helps in slowing down the surge of emotions, negative thoughts while handling tough situations and challenges. A special tip for all our dear children who are struggling to study with online classes from school. A simple yoga routine has the capacity to negate the overstimulation children experience nowadays. They could make a start implementing a 10 minutes of daily yoga at the beginning of their classes to calm the active physical behavior and minds. A sun salutation exercise, or commonly known as a Surya Namaskar, at the beginning of each class with an additional 2-minute breath exercise could make the children be more aware and focused before the class starts. Because of the creating awareness, yoga could help the children understand that they can contribute to the solution instead of being a part of the problem. I hope this will help all the mommies who are really struggling with these high emotion kids at home right now. Yoga is the best way to instill discipline. time management to stay physically, mentally active, and lead a healthy lifestyle. Explaining the benefits of various postures, the small factors on how it positively impacts the body also encourages a child in developing healthy habits like eating nutritious food, sleeping on time, and most importantly, focusing the mind on various tasks at home and school. Yoga also ensures better sleep. We all know the importance of a sound sleep in maintaining good physical and mental health. Breathing exercises calm the nervous system, relieve tension and pressure, ward off negative emotions, and release sleep hormone, serotonin, in ample amounts. Few simple breathing practices before bed time can also help kids sleep well and faster and help in handling their challenges better. When we learn to pay attention to our breath, it can tell us something about how we are feeling. With this awareness, we can discover the capacity of using our breath for all situations. Empowering kids from a young age about the value of their own breath is a powerful tool for teaching self regulation. Practicing breathing with your child creates experiences that help them integrate healthy ways for coping with strong emotions, especially anger. Make it experimental. Using a prop like a pinwheel or bubbles can make breath work fun. These props not only capture a young child's attention but can also help teach a child to slow down and extend their exhalation. This is important because the extension of the exhaled breath is what helps ignite the parasympathetic nervous system. Let me share with you some instructions for teaching breathing exercises with the use of a prop. Remember to make it fun and practice when your child is calm and alert. Keeping in mind your child's attention span, short periods of practice throughout the week work the best. Sitting up tall, take a full breath of air in through the nose, closing your mouth. It will be helpful if you can demonstrate by pointing to your nose. Lean slightly forward with pursed lips. Slowly blow out through the mouth as if gently blowing someone a kiss or cooling off hot food for a baby. This action will cause the pinwheel to spin or the bubbles to be blown. You can model this breathing technique by dramatizing the inhale and pointing to your nose, then pursing your lips and making an audible sound with your breath as you slowly and steadily breathe out through your mouth. Wait 2 to 3 seconds before taking another breath and then start the instructions again. Repeat and practice these steps 2 to 3 times and see how wonderfully your child would be in charge of their breath. Everyone knows the best way to make something a habit is to practice it continually, and there's no exception with yoga. Just like making your bed, doing your homework after school, and taking a dog for a walk, this soon becomes second nature after weeks of practice. I recommend setting aside time every day, whether it be half an hour in the morning or 10 minutes to help you wind down before bed. That way, you will ensure that your kids are practicing it daily and it will slowly form a part of their everyday routine. Through yoga, kids start to realize that they are strong and then are able to take that strength, confidence, acceptance, and compassion out into the world. With kids locked down inside home, I'm sure we're all on a lookout for games. And what can be a better game than a yoga game? Let me share with you these two wonderful games that we practice at home. The first one being Mirror Mirror. The game is a good warm up exercise to increase focus. One person starts as a leader. The leader chooses a pose to do and shows it to the others. The other players copy the leader's pose as if they are looking into a mirror. Change the leader with each round of poses so that all your kids have a turn being the leader. The second game that we practice is red light. Red light, green light yoga. One person is chosen as a stoplight. He or she stands at the front of the room. The other players are the cars, and they start at the opposite wall. The stoplight starts the game by calling green light. The other players then use yoga poses to move forward. When the stoplight calls red light, each player needs to be in a yoga pose and remain still. Everyone takes a turn being the stoplight. These are fun games and surely instill the values of yoga very, very nicely with our kids. Thank you. I hope you're enjoying our channel. Please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe for all our regular updates. Do not forget to ring the bell icon for regular notifications.